So this topic, in the continuation of the current loop or magnetic dipole moment of a current loop, the topic is magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron in the orbit. So it is an important one and many times asked in the board examination in 2 marks or 3 marks. So how to find the magnetic moment or dipole moment of a revolving electron in the orbit? So see, this is the nucleus and an electron is revolving. This is electron revolving with velocity v. This is the radius, this is nucleus. So electron is revolving. As we know that whenever a charge revolves so it is just like the current loop. Electron revolving in the orbit is similar to the current loop. So this electron moves in the loop, so it produces the electric current. Due to this revolution, the current will be in the opposite direction. So the current produced by a revolving electron, that is I equals to, so as from the definition of electric current, the rate of flow of electric charge. So charge that is flowing, that is electron E, and the time taken to complete one revolution in the orbit, that is say time t or time period t. So this is the current. Say this is equation 1. Now this time period t of revolution, so time of revolution of the electron, so as the distance covered in one round by the moving electron or revolving electron, that is circumference 2 pi r upon, it is moving with velocity v. So distance upon velocity. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, so this current, that is E and t, in place of t, from equation 2 we write 2 pi r upon v. So I equals to EV upon 2 pi r. So this is the current. Now from the definition of the dipole moment or of the magnetic dipole moment, it is M equals to, this is magnetic dipole moment. So from definition of this, it is I into A. So from this equation we can substitute the value of I. So I equals to M equals to, it is EV upon 2 pi r into A. Since A equals to pi r square, this is the area of revolution of the electron, therefore M equals to EV upon 2 pi r into pi r square. So this pi and pi cancel, 1 r cancel, so it is EVR upon 2. So this is the magnetic dipole moment of an orbiting electron in the atom. we can compare this dipole moment with the orbital angular momentum. So orbital angular momentum from orbital angular momentum, that is you have done in the 11th standard, that is MVR. So comparing these two, this is say equation 4, this is equation 5. So on comparing equation 4 and 5, so this m upon l, this is equal to EVR by 2 upon MVR. So this VR will cancel and this 2 will go this side, so it is E upon 2L. So this is m upon L, it is E upon 2L, or we can write m equals to E upon 2L into L. In vector form, m is written as minus E upon 2L into L. So m is a vector quantity, L is also orbital angular momentum is vector quantity. So how we can show here the orbital angular momentum? It is a cross product of V and R. So as the electron is moving, so the direction will be like this. This is the direction of angular momentum, and for the magnetic dipole moment of orbiting electron, so it is perpendicular to the plane of this loop. So as the electron is moving in this direction, so current will flow in this direction. So the direction of this magnetic dipole moment. So it is clear the magnetic dipole moment of orbiting electron is opposite to the orbital angular momentum. So this is the relation between the two. Now according to the Bohr's theory, according to the Bohr's theory, the orbital angular momentum of the revolving electron in the atom, that is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. So this is the orbital angular momentum. So we can use this L here. So therefore m equals to E upon 2m, and the value of L, that is nh upon 2 pi, or we can write EH upon 4 pi n and into n. So this magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron depends upon this n in the different orbits. For different orbits, the value of n. So this is the principal quantum number. So it is 1, 2, 3, like this. For n equal to 1, this n is represented by mu, it is called Bohr's magneton. And its value mu, that is EH upon 4 pi m. So this is a fixed value 9 point. This is the fixed value 9.34 into 10 raised to power minus 24, and the value of the unit is ampere meter square. So this is the Bohr magneton.